Title: The Talking Parrot's Secret. Scene 1. Ravi's house, a birthday gift. It was Ravi's birthday, and his uncle gifted him a beautiful, colorful parrot in a golden cage. Ravi, excited. Wow, a talking parrot. What's your name? Parrot, cheerfully. My name is Coco. I love crackers and secrets. Scene 2. A mischievous idea. That evening, Ravi tells his friend Tina about Coco. Tina. Can he really talk? Ravi. Yes, let's have fun. I'll teach him something funny. Ravi whispers into Coco's ear. Ravi. Say, Grandpa snores like a lion. Coco, loudly mimicking. Grandpa snores like a lion. Roar! Scene 3. The chaos begins. The next morning, Coco repeats it in front of Grandpa, who looks shocked. Grandpa. What? Who said that? Coco, innocently. Ravi taught me. Ravi laughs nervously as Grandpa gives him a playful glare. Scene 4. The Great Mix-Up. One day, Ravi's mom asks, who finished all the cookies? Coco quickly blurts out. Coco. It was Ravi. It was Ravi. Ravi, shocked. Hey, that wasn't me. Coco winks playfully and everyone laughs. Scene 5. A happy ending. Narrator. And so, Coco became the funniest member of the house, always making everyone laugh. But Ravi learned an important lesson. Never teach a parrot something you don't want repeated. The end.